It, spot it, treat it, beat it. This session was developed in collaboration with ISF, the International Sepsis Forum, and the ESCMID study group for bloodstream infections, endocarditis, and sepsis. And it will present the cutting-edge new data on the management of sepsis and BSI. In that session, we will also announce the 2022 ISF award winner, who will give a short presentation. As every day, we have late-breaking sessions building on submitted abstracts. So this session, a 1-hour oral session, late-breaking updates on COVID vaccination, will provide cutting-edge knowledge and experience from various countries about the use of COVID-19 vaccination, with emphasis on interesting aspects like booster vaccination due to waning immunity and emerging variants. We have two keynotes taking place today with Professor James Collins and Professor Filomeno Fortes. James Collins will discuss deep learning and synthetic biology, a field which he has been dealing with and pioneering for quite a few years, and also was received some very prestigious awards. And the second keynote deals with the impact of climate change on neglected tropical diseases in LMICs. And our speaker, who is Portuguese, will discuss various aspects of NTD control, especially in different populations, and with special emphasis on low-resource settings. The third keynote we have today assumes the form of a keynote scientific interview, such as that we had yesterday, and that will take place in Hall A at 11. Professor Evelina Tacconelli, which is well known to all of us, and she will discuss advances in clinical antibacterial resistance research, and she will recap much of her experience in leading clinical research networks in AMR. Don't forget the General Assembly of Members, which takes place this evening in Hall H. And last but not least, I would like to remind you that we have an emerging session this morning at 9 a.m. focusing on hepatitis of unknown etiology, bringing speakers from ECDC and the UK HSA to keep us up to speed with the development of this interesting and perhaps worrisome incident. So have a good day.
Thank you, Jacob. We have a very exciting day ahead of us, I believe. We will be tuning out for now here at ECCMID TV. We will be back with you all at 10 a.m. this morning, when we will be inviting Professor Till Bachmann, who is the chair of the Diagnostics Pipeline Corner. So please tune in again at 10. See you then.